Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Nissan Titan versus Toyota Tundra. We'll dive into their core strengths, helping you understand which truck might best suit your needs. We'll start by looking at their power and efficiency, then move on to how much they can haul and tow. Finally, we'll explore their interiors and available tech so you can make an informed decision. When it comes to raw power, the Nissan Titan typically comes with a 5.6-liter V8 engine, delivering 400 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. The Toyota Tundra, on the other hand, often features a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, which can produce up to 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. For towing, the Tundra generally leads with a maximum capacity of 12,000 pounds, while the Titan offers a strong 11,050 pounds with its XD variant. Inside, both trucks offer comfortable cabins, but the Toyota Tundra Crew Max often provides more rear legroom for passengers compared to the Nissan Titan Crew Cab. For technology, the Titan can be equipped with a 9-inch infotainment screen and a 12-speaker audio system. The Tundra steps up with an available 14-inch screen and convenient wireless device charging, enhancing your connectivity and entertainment on the go. Considering reliability and value, the Toyota Tundra typically holds an edge with higher reliability and better resale value ratings. However, the Nissan Titan stands out with an impressive 5-year or 100,000-mile bumper-bumper warranty, offering extended peace of mind. Both trucks present compelling options, depending on your priorities for power, space, and long-term ownership. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.